In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the right front CV shaft on this Volkswagen Tiguan. You're going to find this behind the right front wheel. Let's get into it. In the back, behind this cover, just twist to the left, pop that out. You can see where this is held down. We're just going to pop this holder off, pull the jack out. There's a utility bag right here. Open up the utility bag. And you want to find this pick. We're going to use that. And with the hook tool, we're going to take these caps off. Just reach in the middle, pull those out. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Take that out and grab the wheel, slide it off. We're going to take off the axle nut. You're going to need a 12.24mm socket. Take that off. Using a 16mm socket, we're going to take off all the nuts for the ball joint. Just grab the control arm. Just going to pull it down, separate the ball joint. And then you want to pop the axle out of the knuckle. Push it in. Should be able to slide this out. There we go. And using a large punch, we're just going to go from the back side. Just give it a tap. Pop the axle out. Slide that off. And it comes right up. I take the new axle, get this lined up. Slide that over. Just get that lined up. You can give it a little tap with a rubber mallet if you need to. And just make sure it's all the way down. And try to wiggle it out. Make sure it's clipped in place. That looks good. And take the axle. Slide it into the back of the hub. Might have to twist it a little bit just so it lines up correctly. And twist the rotor if that's easier. Get the ball joint studs lined up with the control arm. Put the nuts on. Snug those down. Now torque these nuts to 73 foot-pounds. And take the bolt, get that started. Snug that up. Take two of the lug studs, get those started. Then we're going to put a pry bar in between here to prevent the hub from spinning, just like that. Now we're going to torque this bolt to 147 foot-pounds and then an additional 180 degrees. There we go. And take the lug bolts out. Install the wheel. Get the lug bolt started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push them on. Take the pick tool, put that back in the utility bag, wrap this up. And just tie it up. Place that back inside here. I'll take the jack, get that lined up. This little tie down. Just pull that through. Take the door, slide the two little tabs in the base, and then twist it closed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.